this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Trust Wallet. And for this, you need to have a Revolut account. And if you don't have one yet, then check the link in the description to get started for free. So let's dive into the video right now. So from our Revolut home screen, we're going to click on crypto. And in here, we are going to click on send. And in send, we are going to select AVAX Avalanche because it is really fast and it has low fees. But please be aware that you have some of AVAX or some crypto on your Revolut account in order to do this, because otherwise it will not work. So let's click on AVAX. And in this screen, we need to add a wallet address in order to send the money to Trust Wallet. So in here, you're going to click on Add Wallet Address. From this section, we need to enter the wallet address of our Trust Wallet in. And for this, we are going over to our Trust Wallet app. In the Trust Wallet home screen, we're going to click on Receive. And from Receive, we're going to click on AVAX Avalanche C-Chain again. And if it's not visible in here, then you need to click on AVAX and basically select this one at the top. And right now you will see a QR code which you can scan from inside your Revolut app, or the best way what you can do, the best thing is to copy this address by clicking on copy. And this address is the address that we're going to paste in Revolut. So we're going back to our Revolut app now. So paste in the wallet address or scan the QR code and set wallet to Trust Wallet and give it a label if you want, and then click on continue. And right now the address is being added and it can take a little while for it to pop up in your address screen. I waited a little while and it is visible right now. So in order to transfer money from Revolut to Trust, we basically click on our new added wallet address, and that is Trust Wallet Transfer. And in here we can enter the amount we want to send. And we are doing it in AVAX, so this way you are sending money from Revolut to your Trust Wallet. So if you entered your amount, click on Review Transfer and then click on Confirm, and then your transfer will be finalized. So as I already said, please make sure you have some crypto on your Revolut account in order to do this, because otherwise it will not work. So that is it for the video.